Hello, in today's episode, we're going to talk about how to choose right sanitary pads in your periods. Sanitary pads in the market, they come in different brands and they come in different sizes and they're available everywhere, like in supermarkets, like medical shops and different stores. They come in sizes like small, medium, large, extra large. They come in different thicknesses like thin and thick. You have to choose a pad according to your comfort. If you're having a heavier flow, you have to use a thicker pad. If you're having a lighter flow, you have to use a thinner pad. If it's longer, it will give you rashes. If it's shorter, it might stain you. So how to use a sanitary pad? First, you have to remove the outer cover. On the glue side, you have to apply it on the panty. Then you have to press it a little. If you have a lateral wings on the pad, you have to just apply it on the back side of your panty liner. Thank you for watching this episode. Take care of your health.